What's up, King? I hope you are absolutely fine. So, today we have reached the depth everyone deserves. I went so deep that I finally reached Hell, also known as Nether. So, today I am going to tell you some things that you should know about Nether. Yes, so without wasting any time, let's get into it.
Don't let your kids watch it!
This is where it all began. And no Bappy Lady syndrome नहीं है ये. This is just for safety. I will tell you how. देखो वैसे हेलमेट से काम चल जाता है, so I will recommend only the helmet. बाकी तुम्हारी मर्जी. And something more that I will recommend is this one. And one more thing, water does not exist in Nether. लो बाराती आ गए. Boom. One shot, everyone knows the rules. This is a nether portal made by obsidian. It has to be at least 2x3. इधर 2, इधर 3 है. And you need flint and steel to light this shit up. Let's go to hell. We are on a highway to hell. Yes, I have reached here. You haven't. Noob. Now look at it, not wearing any gold armor, okay? Zombie piglins. They are really cute creatures. They will not attack you unless you attack them. But if you attack them, the whole lot will come after you. So be careful. Next, we have piglins. Kind of similar, but they have puppy lady syndrome. मैंने अभी तक सोना पहना नहीं है. For that reason, he will come to attack me. ये देखो, बाबू आ रहे हैं तलवार उठा के. Now I am wearing this helmet. अभी कुछ नहीं करेगा. You can throw gold at them to trade with them or to distract them. अभी परख के देख रहा है. अबे कुछ दे भाई. वाह, 2 पैर में चलना सीख गया तो क्या हो गया. सुअर तो सुअर ही होता है. दिस इज सुअर का बच्चा. I mean पिगलिन का. Don't give them gold क्योंकि ये लेके भाग जाएंगे, कुछ देंगे तो नहीं. We know kids are dumb, but these kids are greedy. We have a special mob. It is called Blaze and it is very dangerous. यहाँ पे स्पॉनर है और मेरे पे ज़्यादा वेपन नहीं है तो मैं पास नहीं जाऊँगा. नाइस. ओ भाई, शिट शिट शिट. हाँ बच गया. If you kill a blaze, you will get a blaze rod, which is used for making brewing stand and blaze powder. ये fuel है brewing stand का. This is slime का nether version, magma cube. And here we are. The reason I told you to bring bow and arrow is ghast. सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, इसको कोई काम नहीं है, बस तुमको देखेगा कि मारना शुरू. You can deflect the fireball, but that is not safe. You can die any moment. उससे अच्छा है bow and arrow लेके जाओ, खर्चा नहीं होगा ज़्यादा. And when you kill a ghast, you will get ghast ears, which is related to brewing. Now here we are at a rare structure called Bastion Remnant. This is a jungly sewer. It is called Hoglin. So this structure is really rare. It is made of black stone and you will find piglins guarding it with loads and loads of gold inside. इन सबको gold complex है तो बात मत करो इनके बारे में. Now I will introduce you to someone who is exclusively found here. Piglin brutes. They don't need any reason to kill you. ऐਵੇਂ ही मार देंगे तुम्हें. You will also find chests inside this structure and gilded blackstone. So the next big tourist attraction in Nether is Nether Fortress, of course. Inside you will have some exclusive mobs and some exclusive things. Note, यहाँ पे बप्पी लाइडी जैसा लोग काम नहीं आएगा, वो पिगलिन तक ही सीमित है. You have to struggle to survive in here, okay? So these are really big structures with chest in it, and inside the chest you will have valuable items. But still we will have some exclusive mobs in here like Blaze, the Wither, which I will discuss in my mob video later. Inside the Nether Fortress you will have this exclusive rooms which will have nether warts. It is related to brewing but it is important. Lava flows faster in Nether than in overworld, so be careful. the star of the show. This is the nether exclusive material known as ancient debris. You have to go deeper in nether to get them. You can only claim them with diamond like this. They are the rarest block in whole Minecraft. When you will get them, you have to burn them in furnace or in blast furnace, doesn't matter. Then you will get netherite scrap. You have to place 4 pieces of netherite scrap with 4 pieces of gold ingot to form 1 netherite ingot. Place them any way you like, doesn't matter. Now take your netherite ingot and pair it with your old existing diamond thing, whatever you have. Kaboom! You have your first netherite weapon. I haven't got my first one yet. This is my creative world, so I am not happy. Yes. Pray for me so that I get my first netherite weapon. Press this to pray. मस्त aesthetic लग रहा है नहीं? Now comes the tourist attraction, the biomes. There are total 5 biomes in Nether, starting from Basalt Delta. Then there is the Nether West. Then the beautiful Crimson Forest, the land of Crimson Stem, Weeping Vines, and of course piglins and hoglins. These weeping vines start growing from the ceiling and they will come down as they grow. Then we have the Soul Sand Valley, the land of blue fire, originally known as Soul Fire. And for closing our list with an achievement, we have the Warped Forest. So there are some exclusive things here which are used in crafting, such as quartz, these gold nuggets, and glowstone which breaks into glowstone dust. ये वाला तो पहले ही बोल दिया मैंने. Striders, सस्ता transport and they will help you to travel through lava. To mount them you will need saddle and to steer them you will need this thing. You can move them. Hey! Hot! Be careful near lava, okay? Don't be a fool. Now right click to mount and वो छड़ी लगेगा तुमको, वो जो जल गया. भी सावधानी से ऊपर जाना है मेरे को. You can bring some dirt and plant some sweet berries. स्वास्थ्य के लिए अच्छा भी होता है. लेकिन ठीक है. Thanks for watching guys. Thanks for sticking around till the end. It means a lot. I hope this thing has helped you a bit. If yes, then consider subscribing. और लास्ट वीडियो में ट्रिक बताई थी ना राजा जी, वही करते रहो. क्रश को भेजो ये वीडियो, कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हो जाएगी तुम्हारे लिए. और उसके लिए स्वीट बेरीज वीडियो दिखाना, स्वीट बेरी खिलाना, मत जानी लाइफ. और क्या है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आके कोई नया बकचोदी करेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय.